How to change prices in Booking.com. What is up, everyone? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can change your prices. So the first thing you do is open up your web browser and then simply search for admin.booking.com and then hit enter. Now you'll be taken to your property where you have listed out your properties. So what you need to do here is find your pricing tab. So right up here you have home, calendar and pricing, promotions, reservation, property, boost performance, inbox, and many more. Click on this drop down calendar and pricing, and then head over to calendar. Now if you want to give a specific rate to a specific date or time, you could do that. So what I'm going to do is scroll down here, and then from here you can select your date. So once you have done that, here you can set the availability for booking and booking open or closed. So you can choose your rates from here. So this is the standard rate. And then here on the non-refundable rate, you could add $18 and weekly rate is $27. This is all up to you what you want to add. So let's say if I want to add a price for these 2 weeks, what I'm going to do is select these 2 weeks, and then I'm going to go ahead and go to my prices. So let's say for these 2 weeks, I want to increase the pricing to up to $25 per night. I'm going to do that, scroll down, and then click on save. And now these date has been updated. So for these 2 weeks, I have all of the rooms and hotels available, and this is $25 per night. So that's how you basically change your rate on Booking.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.